for the final test of your research, which is the generalizability. When you want to do a research, you may have a big population and you collect data from a smaller size of that population. That is what we call sample. When you do the research, that is straight away applied for the sample, the decisions, analysis and the recommendation. But if you can apply this for the whole population, that is what generalizability is about. Let's say, for example, you do a test to develop some new vaccine for COVID and you collect about 100 people out of 1,000 COVID infected people and you do a successful vaccine. And if you can take this vaccine to apply that for the whole 1,000 people, this is generalizability, and we call this internal generalizability because you are doing this research for that particular 1,000 people of population. And if you can bring this vaccine for the rest of the world, that is external generalizability, then you can apply this vaccine for the people around the world as well. So that same vaccine will cure the people around the world. When you investigate a research problem, you would test a theory or you would develop a new theory. And when you have this theory developed or tested, that will be applied for that particular situation, particular investigation. There is no problem with that. But if you can bring this theory to apply it somewhere else beyond this context, that is when we are talking about generalizability, because the theory applied for this particular situation is generalized for different situations as well. The bigger the generalizability, the better the research is about. So if you can say my research can be generalized for different situations in different contexts, people would want to read that and apply that for them. So you will have more worth for your research. This is generalizability.